an alien planet. Swarmed with devastating volcanic activity, crippling the Earth-sized planet's surface, this exoplanet has been discovered 86 light-years away from our solar system. We're going to take a look into what we know about this terrifying planet, and how scientists believe it could actually inhabit life. So here's what we know. Named LP-79118d, astronomers believe the planet undergoes extreme volcanic outbursts, as often as Jupiter's moon, Io, which is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. The planet orbits a small red dwarf star in the southern constellation, known as Crater. The planet has only a slightly larger mass and size than Earth. The planet is tidally locked, which means the same side of the planet constantly faces its star, so one side of the planet will always be in daylight, and the other side will always be in complete darkness. Scientists believe the day side would probably be too hot for liquid water to exist on the surface, but due to the research suggesting volcanic activity occurring all over the planet, this leads them to believe that the planet could sustain an atmosphere, which could allow for water to condense on the night side of the planet due to the lower temperatures. The planet occupies the inner boundary of the habitable zone, which represents the region around a star where scientists believe liquid water could potentially exist on the surface of a planet. With the suggestion of the planet sustaining not only an atmosphere, but also water on the surface, scientists would like to further study the planet to get closer to uncovering whether life could indeed exist on this planet. Now that we know a bit about this fascinating planet, let's find out why astronomers believe it is home to such ferocious volcanic eruptions. Put simply, its neighboring planets are to blame. Astronomers were already aware of two other planets in this constellation, known as LP-79118b and C. Planet B is about 20% bigger than Earth, whereas Planet C is about 2.5 times the size of Earth and more than 7 times its mass. During each orbit, Planet C comes into very close proximity of the newly discovered Planet D. Due to the significant size difference between the planets, each close pass causes Planet C to produce a gravitational tug on Planet D. This causes the orbit of Planet D to be somewhat elliptical, which means the planet's orbit is somewhat deformed each time it ventures around its star. This deformation can cause so much friction that a significant increase in heat is produced in the planet's interior, encouraging the volcanic activity. Astronomers were able to discover this mind-blowing exoplanet using data from NASA's STScl, as well as the retired Spitzer Space Telescope. The STScl was launched by NASA in 2018, with the goal of discovering Earth-like exoplanets in the hope to better understand our history and to even locate signs of life. The James Webb Telescope has now earmarked LP-79118c as an exoplanet to further investigate, and has also now begun to explore what may lie within the volcano-covered planet, LP-79118d. NASA will continue its search for Earth-like exoplanets beyond our solar system, and we certainly cannot wait to be amazed by more of their findings. We will keep you updated with any new findings by the STScl, as we hope you share the same curiosity as we do. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. And if you're interested in all things space, why not take a look at another video of ours?